Don't give up on your dreams, no? Kung pangarap mo talaga maging isang negosyante, no matter what the consequences, go for it. Get the support of your family, napaka-importante yon, and work hard for it. No? Nung sinimulan ko naman tong negosyo na to, I'm a mechanical engineer. Zero knowledge in terms of food processing. Pero pinag-aralan ko lahat. Nandiyan si Google para mapag-aralan mo o magbasa ka articles about food preservation, iba-ibang proseso, about food safety, at lahat ng information matatagpuan na ngayon sa Google, no? Sa internet. Don't forget na ang entrepreneurship it's a lonely journey. Akala ka siguro ng iba, o tara, magnegosyo tayo. But when you start a company, actually you have different passions, iba-iba yung schedule ninyo, iba-iba yung limits ninyo in terms of tolerance pag nalugi na. Iba-iba yung inyong dedication. So, I would suggest, mas maganda siguro na mag-start ka na sarili mo lang muna, no? And then, at least, you can dedicate yung buong time and effort mo sa pagpapalaki ng kumpanya, no? At the same time, mapapa-implement mo kung ano yung gusto mong direksyon doon sa kumpanya. Just keep on dreaming, try to reach your dreams, work hard for it, and don't forget those people who supported you. Especially nung maliit ka pa lang.
Panoorin ang full video sa ating YouTube channel, Agree sa Agri. Don't forget to follow, like, share, and subscribe.